this is Brenda dessert from around the world, and today's destination is America. We're trying a recipe for brownies, so let's get started. To start our brownies, I'm going to add half a cup of melted butter, unsalted. Then I'm gonna sift in cocoa powder. This is 1/3 cups. Then you just want to whisk this together. And then when it's well combined, then you're gonna add 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla, and then whisk this together. And once you do that, add a cup of sugar. And I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of AP flour. I'm also going to sift this too. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And once you do that, I'm using walnuts. You can also use pecans if you like, or any kind, even chocolate chip. Anything you want in your brownie is fine. I just rarely chop these walnuts. This is 1 cup. And you're just gonna fold that in. Okay, when this one's mixed, let's get our pan ready. So this is an 8x8 that I took out. I'm just gonna pour the batter right in. and make it even. Now it's ready for the oven. I already preheated my oven to 325 Fahrenheit, and this might take 20 to 30 minutes. So my brownies just came out of the oven. Took 35 minutes. You know when it's ready, just put a toothpick right in the middle, it comes out clear, it's ready. So I'm gonna let this cool down and we're gonna make the frosting. So to make our frosting, I'm going to have 4 tablespoons of soft butter. And this is 1 cup of powdered sugar. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And you just want to whisk this all together. Oops. There we go. I did a boo-boo. I forgot to add the milk. So 2 tablespoons of milk. And you want to mix this up. So now it should be ready. Nice and creamy. You can see here. Now let's add it to our brownies. I got my brownies out. I'm just gonna add the frosting right on top. Now you don't have to make this frosting. You could eat the brownies as is, or you could put some powdered sugar on top. It's up to you. And I'm just going to now it's ready to eat a piece. Cut a piece. Cutting this brownie didn't go as planned, so it kind of looks messed up, but hopefully it tastes excellent. It's time for a taste test. Definitely give this recipe 10 out of 10. The brownie was nice and fudgy. I love it. The walnuts, everything about this brownie, I just love it. Totally easy recipe to make. And if you do, comment below. And like always, I see you guys in my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.